Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. If this is the first time visiting my YouTube channel and you love to see more vlogs like this, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below so I can know what y'all thinking. So this week's vlog video, I'm taking a walk downtown Miami at the Miami Seaquarium, guys. Over here is so beautiful. I wish y'all could see this in person. So as you can see, it's a nice sunny day in Florida. Very nice. We have some flamingos in the background. Yeah, man. I'll go switch the camera and I'll look a bit more can see. So let me see if I can read. Flamingos. Alright. Birds actually look fake from right there. So. And just stand up and now move. It's crazy. So one of them will actually move over this. But these birds are so beautiful, guys. It's amazing. They're not even move, people. Watch it. Oh, the one they actually them at the fight. Oh, boy. National Geographic. Oh, the one they move close. I have to go back up looking because I'm not just animal. But yeah, man. Mado.
How do we walk over to that show, though?
Guys, I feel like I'm there on National Geographic. My show called Animal Documentary. Oh man, this is so surreal, guys. I never really see one of them as up close. Ain't this crazy? But what am I trying to do though? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna try to kiss. Then this is an emote not too right for the one day. But anyways, let me move along. But these birds are beautiful, guys. So beautiful. So alright guys, when I make a walk going here so now. So you can see what going on inside. And here's actually the aquarium part. When you have the fishes them and all of that. So I make a walk in there real quick so you can see what's going on. So I guess this is the gift shop here. You know, every tourist destination I always just try to sell you something. But I shall not buy nothing in here. Me already pay for coming here. But yeah, man. All pigeon in here, more than they pay for coming here too. But yeah, guys, this is the aquarium. I guess they got dolphins swimming in here. Right now, I don't really see any close by, but if you see it on me, I'm gonna see it. Yeah, man, this is the, oh, see the tail? Man, one just passed a while ago. I guess him up on the upper deck. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see if I can go up this and I'm gonna see the dolphin them as well. Alright guys, look on them fish. I don't know what them fish are named, but they are ugly. Man, they are ugly. Let me see if I can find out the name of the fish. It is called the Lionfish. Alright then. But from you see him still kind of look like lion, so I shouldn't that surprise. But yeah, I guess it's, I wouldn't say they're ugly, but if me see this in my plate, I eat him. That's all me know. It's a very, you know, different kind of fish. I force me and see a fish like this. So yeah, the lionfish. Guys, I want to look like snapper fish too. From afar. But I guess them have some other name feed. Let me see how you name. Oh shoot, me know a fish man, a red snapper. Hey, I would say I don't know something. I would say I don't know something. Yeah man, a snapper. Alright, me get one of them right. So yeah guys, This is actually what them look like when they're alive. If you're Jamaican people, you don't know that. Because they always eat snapper. So this is what they look like when they're alive. Alright, moving on. Alright guys, look for that one here. When you ever watch what it named the SpongeBob, that one here look like Mrs. Puff. Yo, this is amazing guys. Them fish are unrealistic. Oh, I guess that one is what do you call that one there? I don't even know. When me say I can't find the name right, so I'm not gonna go and let me know. Alright, so I can picture that. Alright, so what the hell that one the name? This is for the people who actually want to read. I guess it's the yellow stingray. Okay. Alright, that's the one I name, stingray. They said there are 20 species of stingrays. And I'm gonna read all of this one. But yep, it's a beautiful fish, man. See him there right this again. Stingray. I'm gonna call that one a Mrs. Puff. Kinda look like him. But yep. Moving along. Alright guys, I have some other stuff over here, so I guess I have information about the physical characteristics of a dolphin. Well, that are for the people who actually want to read stuff, but I'm not really coming for read, I'm just coming for look. So yep, go show you the wall real quick. This wall have like information about the dolphins and the different type of dolphins. And, so if you guys ever take a trip down here and you can actually look at stuff, you have a lot of stuff where you can learn, you can look, you can. If you're a person like marine life and marine biology and all of that, yeah man, this is the place for you. Alright guys, I'm gonna check out the seals them now. Or what they name? Walrus or Walrus. I guess that's what they call them, but basically I'm gonna check them out and in case you all go on.
While there are some key distinctions between seals and whales, they are still very closely related.
What do you call them in Jamaica? Sea lion?
Looking at our favorite past, you should remember that we're basically looking at especially either fish
I guess I'm gonna feed them, you know.
adaptations as well as to thrive in their aquatic environment.
Alright now, them say them gonna go play a game with that one. Me want to see what kind of game them gonna go play. Me very interested. So I got me, you know. Alright.
My only comment is just your timing.
Seals and sea lions can be found all over the world, from polar to tropical regions. They have many adaptations that allow them to be so widespread. Pinnipeds that live in the polar regions
Alright, so I'm gonna go dance with you now. You wanna sit down there? Alright.
such as fur seals,
Catch a new style. The weather dance the name. Alright. I'm gonna walk for him food though.
keep the animals from icy waters.
Poor sea lion, I'm gonna walk him for him food.
So go ahead and start laying on your back on the floor.
Alright. Alright.
Good. What do you think? Do you want them to be any gas? Alright, well, are you going to come over and use the mushroom?
I respect the mushroom.
Very much more.
Because I mean, I can come, I didn't hear you.
It's alright guys, I kinda did from now so I get in for you real quick. I'll come back. We need some energy to finish the vlog. Yeah. This and this. The brother here hang up here, so. Right. Check it out real quick. I got fries with chicken tenders and a Mountain Dew fountain soda. So I'ma devour this right now. Sorry guys, I just don't eat some food a while ago. Belly full. My mama didn't eat that a while ago. Could I feel it in my belly. But yeah man, they have to refuel. So I'm gonna go there now, have more energy. Show must go on. So alright guys, I'm looking at some of the manatees them now. And this is basically what a manatee skeleton look like. It's pretty cool. So alright guys, this is actually what the manatees look like. Look at this crap, how big. Ain't this crazy, yo? Jesus Christ. That one they're not even big yet. Look one on over here. Yo. Look at this. You can't believe there's an animal that, guys. How crazy is that? That's an animal. Yo. Alright, that one they look like him piece of him tail missing. Dang. Must be getting a fight or something. But yeah guys, this is actually the biggest one so far. Look at this. Man, this is crazy. Look at this, man. This thing is massive. Sorry guys, take a look at that penguin here. I want to actually follow me, watch it. Yo. Ain't this cool, guys? Come on, my new party, this, you know? Say what I go on? Say what I go on? Say what I go on? Look like you don't understand Jamaican people. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Want you to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Alright, say bye bye Nemo.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.